Then I'm just going to sit still and hold for long periods of time, rather than taking the camera and switching it left and right fast when people can't see anything. Today I'll be explaining about this various types of these aquatic plants. Now, on the surface there are two species of water lilies are there, and then underneath you can see the new babies are coming out of the water. They'll all come to the surface, and then below that, those plants, there is another level of greenery. That is Bacopa monneri, and then one more species is there. I'm not sure if it's this one or the other one. This one. And you can see this, there are couple of species very interesting you can notice in this pond. That is, here that centella asiatica is there. Centella asiatica. Then along with that, Bacopa is peeping out, lot of them. Then as you go towards the water, the Bacopa increase, this Bacopa monneri increases, and that centella asiatica, the centella asiatica starts decreasing, and then this Bacopa monneri starts, Bacopa monneri, and then this Bacopa monneri can grow above the water, then at the edge of the water, partially submerged like this. And then also a little bit underwater. There you can see that Bacopa is there underneath. So it's a versatile plant, underwater, in the border, semi-submerged, as well as above. Then this Nymphea is there. Nymphea Nymphoides also is growing. This also can tolerate semi-submergence and above the water, and it's a very beautiful one also. It's a kind of grows along with all this. This is that one of that Hongones, that is that alternanthera group of plants, not Cecilia or Picoides, because that seed is a bit long to be that one. So 3-4 species, and in different situations you can see. Then also I'll get into the water a little bit and can see some more species. That 4-4 leaf is that Marcelea. It's very hardy. It also can grow out and in, but here it's under the water only. Then this Cyperus is there. It also can tolerate not much depth, but light depth. And this was a marvelous sight, this Bacopa under the water. For this connoisseurs, sight to behold. I should get a better camera, underwater camera. Then this species is there. It's rooting everywhere, and then in some places it has a reddish tinge. I don't see it outside the water, so maybe it's a underwater species. I'm not sure. Anyway, that is it has deep roots and all. So that is also thriving over here. And then this one also is there. This is one of the Nymphea, I think. So this is really something marvelous sight. All these underwater things, and also some fish is nibbling my foot. This portion particularly. Then we'll have one more kind of a view, like that. Then we zoom close to the water, and then you look up from there. That one is a new plant. That one.
I feel like that four leaf and that is different.
That four leaf is that Marcelea.
Okay, I thought you were talking about this twiggy thing.
Illa alla adigidiyalla nodu.
Yeah. I thought you said Marcelea and that bottom one is the same, and then
No.
kind of
Marcelea we got, it's a hardy, weedy kind of thing. Adu Cyperus. It's one of not Rotolas, one of the Cyperus family.
Oh, idagada?
Idu reed. Adrada, you can go and see that seed over there.
Yeah, it's the ones that people paint and stuff, no?
Yeah.
They paint and
Yeah, that's the one.
Countryside or whatever.
It's called some reed. This Moses and all was found in among these.
Oh, I didn't know that.
It's a big biblical thing. Yeah. So, I think. Wait, we'll have a closer look at that also today. I want to cover something over here, then we'll. This is turning into one of my longest videos. Come, ಇದು ನೋಡಿದ್ಯಾ ಬಾಯ್ಲಿ? This is like one of those high-tech, expensive, those aquariums, no? This is what they try and fail miserably to recreate. Yeah. No. These are the baby that Nymphoides. I'll show you over here. This one.
Wait.
Ido.
Okay, so cute.
Okay, babies are coming. And then next to that, this Bacopa. Allivare hogide nodu. Like a little meadow of that. These are ideal for these fish and all to breed. And then as you go down, that this thing is there. That same lily, that Nymphoides. You can see them all growing up next generation. Morning.
Regular lilies also.
The regular lilies have more darker colored leaves, and then they're in the deeper water.
Okay. Then what are these bigger leaves here?
This is the same thing. More mature plant. Mature, small ones are like that. See, last time we went there and I found that Lindernia rotundifolia over there. That is already the aquatic trade. You get in this thing and all its things. many places.
Okay.
That will now be underwater. It was looking quite healthy. So we can go in there. We can see them now. How they.
Oh, there's a bird's nest here. ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ದ್ಯಾ?
ಬಿದೋಗಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೊಟ್ಟೆ ಗಿಟ್ಟೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ನೆಸ್ಟ್.
This is a great place for fish. ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದಿದೆ ನೋಡು. ಅಲ್ಲೂ
That is all last year's nests. Wow, look at this. See this side. ಇಲ್ಲಿ. See that part. You need to wear that goggles and all. Oh, what? How many species fish you noticed? Tell me. One.
Fish. I only saw one.
Not many fish, but there is something. There will be some catfish, eel, and all. You sit quietly, you can see. This is something rare. Right? No, what are?
It's like to see.
This nature andre. It will silence your brain chatter. See this side, this edge, along there. Even the water is clear enough and nice. It's beautiful. ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೀನು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ ಅಮ್ಮ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ವಿಲ್ ಪ್ಯಾನಿಕ್. ಗೋ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. Nothing to panic. This is quite a safe place. Main road. You should get one of those fish traps to see what is there, what fish is there here. Since my last visit, the depth of the water has increased a bit. Even here some 2 species of lilies, and underwater 2 species permanent growing something. Then the Bacopa, and at the edge the centella also. So there's a very marvelous profile of aquatic plants with accompanying bird sounds. It's really nice. These are all the pleasures of this hobby. To go and find something beautiful and behold it. So nice. This is the Rotola Hygrophilia, probably Hysops or something. One is that one.
There's some amazing insects on this nest. This nest and can you see those?
Oh, these are some wild cockroaches. Yeah, cockroach family. Yeah.
Sick.
Sickala. These are all nice wild species.
Actually, no, they're quite